Over the past 60 days, I made $1,373 with the single goal of putting a down payment on the most beautiful Section 8 crack house that money can buy. I need about $20,000 by the end of the year to complete what I'm calling the Freeloader Challenge. If you want to see how I did it without even getting a job behind Wendy's, then strap in and hit the subscribe button. First up, I introduced the broker Moomoo. This month, I signed up my wife and made about $350 from the promotions I'm about to tell you about. They've been a really reliable sponsor for this channel, and just for Kamikaze Cash viewers in the month of June, they've added a special bonus. Anyone who opens an account with $100, $1,000, or $5,000 will receive huge rewards. With a $100 deposit, you will get 6 free shares of stock, one of which is guaranteed to be C3AI. That's a $35 stock at the time of this writing. You'll also get a $100 cash reward that you can use at any time in the next 2 years after you buy $1,000 worth of stock or options. With a $1,000 deposit, you'll get the above plus 10 more free shares of stock. At this tier, you can use the $100 cash reward right away. Just buy $1,000 worth of stock, and 72 hours later, you will get $100 in cash in your account. At $5,000, you'll get all that plus a guaranteed share of either Tesla or Alphabet. All the free shares unlock after 60 days, at which point you can liquidate. And don't forget about Moomoo's free merch, like these figurines or travel pillows, and their sweepstakes and paper trade competitions. Moomoo's rewards are unlike any other. This is a broker that you'll want to keep. See my referral link in the pinned comment so you can get the full reward. And thank you to Moomoo for once again sponsoring the Freeloader Challenge. There's one big difference between you and Karen at your local grocery store, and that is your opinion matters. If you want to make money online quickly and easily, then focus groups are exactly what you're looking for. In the past 60 days, I participated in 5 focus groups and made $550. The highest paying focus group was on AI-enabled cameras that paid me $200 for an hour of my time. You're making more money in 1 hour than most people are making in an entire day of work. The gist here is very simple. A company wants to interview their target audience on a product that they're developing. If you fit their target audience, they'll usually give you some kind of product demonstration over Zoom, and then you tell them what you liked and what you disliked. Being exceptionally personable and outspoken is not a prerequisite. If you can hold even a basic conversation, then you're fine. Ultimately, it doesn't matter what you have to say about their product. If you are within their target audience, then they will pay you for talking to them. However, it is worth it to pay attention and really give them some valuable feedback though, because sometimes they will call you back for a second round of interviews and pay you more money. That's exactly what happened to me with that camera study. When it comes to focus groups, everyone is going to qualify for something. You don't have to leave your house, and you get paid really well. To find focus groups, I've had a lot of luck with userinterviews.com. After you make a profile, they will start emailing you focus groups that you are likely to qualify for. Getting accepted to focus groups is the hardest part, but with these personalized invites, it makes it really easy. If you use my referral link, you'll also get paid an additional $10 after your first interview. We also have a list of other focus group websites in our Discord, link in the description. Next up, if you want to get paid to open an app for 20 seconds a day, you can make $150 or more each month. That's 10 minutes per month of your time. There are a ton of these social casino apps that give you $1 per day as a teaser. Of course, they hope you gamble that $1 and get hooked so that you deposit your own money and gamble that too. But we are aspiring crackhouse investors. We don't have time to gamble away our money. So instead, we're just going to collect their free $1 per day and leave the casino. Now, some of these casinos do pull a fast one and make you gamble that $1 and you just keep the winnings. Some casinos like stake.us don't have any gambling requirement at all. With the 5 social casinos I use, I'm generally collecting around $5 per day of free money. That doesn't sound like a lot, but with the free cash alone, you're getting $150 per month, which is respectable. To get that same return from dividend stocks, you would need about $60,000 invested in Coca-Cola shares. I recommend never depositing your own money into these apps, unless maybe there's some kind of promotion going on, like deposit $10 and get $20. That's up to you. Next month, I plan on churning some of these promotions and seeing if I can come out on top, and I'll share that experience in another video. I've only hit the minimum withdrawal threshold on some of these apps so far. Some of them require that you have a $50 balance, for example, before you can withdraw, and some of them I only discovered a couple of weeks ago. But I did withdraw about $60 from 2 different apps, and I have over $110 of balance on the other one. I strongly recommend getting in on this, unless you you are medically a gambling addict who cannot trust yourself to walk out with a daily dollar. Links below to the ones I recommend. No matter how hard I try, I can't stop myself from jumping into commercial dumpsters to forage for scrap metal. I keep going back for more, and in the last 2 months, I have collected copper, aluminum, steel, and wood that I've sold for money. Long gone are the days of having to steal copper from cell phone towers or from your neighbor's pipes. All you need is a good dumpster. By repeatedly raiding my favorite dumpsters near construction sites, I pulled about $50 worth of copper and other metals. I don't necessarily recommend quitting your day job to become a professional dumpster diver, but if you have construction sites near your house on buildings that are doing remodels, or perhaps you work near a construction site, this can be worth taking a peek. Use Google Maps to see if you have a scrapyard near you where you can liquidate this metal. And besides, you never know when you're going to have a water heater breakdown on you that you can sell for $100 in scrap. I invite you to watch my culturally immersive dumpster diving tour on my second channel, Homestead Homies. Moomoo aside, you can make an easy $250 this month by churning a couple of brokers. This is exactly what I did with my wife and how you can do it too. Step 1, deposit 1 cent into the broker Webull. They will give you free shares usually worth between $40 and $60. Sell those shares. Take the cash. Next, Google Schwab Starter Kit. With this promotion from Schwab, you will receive $101 if you deposit $50. Take the $50-ish that you just got from Webull and deposit it into Schwab. You'll get $101 within 1 week. And next, Google Fidelity Starter Pack. This is basically the same thing as Schwab. Deposit $50, get $100. So take $50 out of Schwab and put it into Fidelity. Just like that, you'll get another $100. I also got $50 for referring my wife to Webull. If this helps you out, I'd appreciate you using my referral link to Webull as well. There are other brokers that you can move on to after Fidelity to get even more money. Moomoo, the sponsor of this video, is just one example. If this is something that people are into, I can make a much longer video covering a wider chain of brokers. For now, get that $250. This is free, easy money. For the Freeloader challenge so far, I've collected just below $15,000. To win the Freeloader challenge and put a down payment on this crack house, I'm expecting to need just $5,000 more. If you want to experience this adventure with me, I invite you to check out the rest of the Freeloader challenge playlist. I can all but guarantee that you'll make some money as well. And also join our free Discord to collaborate with other like-minded freeloaders just like yourself. Thank you for watching and see you next time.